welcome to Dermacare's open house. It is so good to see all of you here tonight. Dr. Burchell is the owner and medical director. He has over 25 years experience as a physician and more than a decade of experience in cosmetic medical aesthetic.
At Dermacare, we don't create beauty, we reveal it, and our job is to do nothing more than to make everybody else more aware of it, including you. Facial aesthetics. I keep talking about the three things that cause lines: motion, volume loss, and collagen loss. So Botox is one of the solutions that helps. The use of Botox is just growing. It'll probably be 20 times larger in the next 10 years. So it's an amazing product and safe. Millions of doses a year for the last 10 years. It has a great safety profile. When you have something that bothers you enough to take care of it, that's the time to take care of it. When it comes to body shaping, we're finding ways from the outside to penetrate through the skin, kill the fat cell, but leave the skin intact. We all want to be more shapely. You don't need to go to a surgery center. You don't need to be put to sleep. We can do this all in the office. The key is maintain your weight and you maintain your results. If you want to deal with cellulite, you got to go here. We have a whole variety of skincare products. Our core four, retinol, glycolic, vitamin C, and peptides. You should be on all four of those. Make sure you get to test the samples in the corner, talk to the girls, and they'll give you all the information that you're going to need on that.
Even when you're using the best possible sunscreen, free radicals are still cutting through the skin barrier, through the cell barrier to cause mutations to your DNA. So by using green tea, you're getting that extra level of protection that actually help to calm down redness and act as a natural anti-inflammatory as well.
As we get older, the collagen starts breaking down in the skin. You lose about 1% per year, and that's where we pull out our lasers. And what we're doing with the lasers is trying to trick the body into healing itself. Signals are released from those cells that got damaged, telling the body to repair it. And so in that healing process, you get thicker, smoother, tighter, better skin. Of all the things that I get to do at Dermacare, doing fillers in the face is absolutely my most favorite. I didn't think I was much of an artist until I started doing this, so there's this whole part of my brain that's been woken up over the last 10 years. And so by putting this volume in here, I'm going to pull the skin back to restore that volume back in the cheek.
It's not hurting. It really is. I'm very surprised that it's not painful at all.
And we're watching your wrinkles disappear before our eyes. Walk over to the winner's circle because it is time. Let's go ahead and get started with our raffles. Make sure you have your raffle ticket in our fish bowls. And our winner is... Congratulations and welcome to Dermacare, where looking good feels great. We want to thank you so much for being here.
This event tonight could not have happened without a bunch of hardworking people. I have a wonderful crew of 18 wonderful people that love what they're doing. From us to you, thank you, and we hope you have a really good evening. Thank you.